Here we are at the high-end table where we can see the full extension of the high-end range. It's been recently integrated with new optic, new sizes, new outputs and new version. The high-end 30, high-end 60 and high-end 90, three different sizes of our linear fittings that can be installed in surface mounted, recess, pendant and different versions. The main news this year is the high-end 60 range, which is now available in 4 different optics: the wall washer, the UGR less than 19 for a very good glare control, and the 2 opal diffuser general lighting, 1 in high output and 1 in low output. And all these versions, as we can see, are available in recess, surface mounted and pendant. They can offer uplight emission as well. They are available in different sizes and they can be connected together to create a continuous line of light that can fit perfectly with the architecture of the space.